Hello everyone, welcome back to GlobeTech Learning Academy YouTube channel. In the last class, I have explained you how to create a sheets and how to modify that sheet. In today's class, I am going to explain you how to place the plans in our sheet, okay, and how to change the sheet name also. For that, I am going to project browser. You can see here, sheet is available here. When you double tap on sheet, that shows the how many sheets are available in that. Okay, presently one sheet only available. So how to change that name? Okay, for that you just click on that sheet and right click. You have option as rename. Click on rename. It will open sheet title. Okay, in sheet title you have two options. One is a number, another one is a name. So number I am giving as 1. Okay, unnamed, that place I am putting name as floor plan. Okay, yeah, just give okay. That name will be updated here. Okay, next thing is how to place a floor plan in that sheet. For that I am selecting the level 1 floor plan. Just drag and place it here. Okay, place on sheet. Presently that will be in larger size. For that I am going to properties. You have one option here, view scale. In that you can choose less scale also. Okay, that will be too much less. Here I am choosing another scale as 1000. Okay, just give apply, or else that also 200. Okay, now it's okay. That scale will be, you can arrange according to your size. Okay, after that just drag and place it that plan. Okay, if you want multiple plan also you can drag it here. If you want level 2 plan also, just click and drag to the sheet. Okay, that also scale will be larger. Here I am changing that size as 1:200 and just drag it over there. Okay, this is the method to placing the plans in our sheets. Okay, after that you can edit over there. If you want any changes you can do it. Okay, if you don't want these ranges also, you have option in properties window. You have drop down that properties window. You have option like extends. In that crop view and crop region view also available. You can click that one, enable that options and give apply. Okay, when you give that apply, that will be automatically go. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Watch our channel for more updates.